Hi guys! Today I would like to show you guys another cookie version. Strawberry chocolate chip cookies. It's really yummy and have nice look. I'm sure that all the kids will love it, and even adults. Okay, let's start. We're gonna need 1.5 cup all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of sugar. Here I use palm sugar, but you also can use brown sugar. Half cup chocolate chip. Here I use dark and white chocolate, but you also can use either dark or white chocolate chips, up to your choice. Half cup or 115 grams softened butter. 1 egg. A quarter cup diced strawberry. Half teaspoon vanilla extract. A pinch of salt. Half teaspoon baking soda. We also need some diced strawberry and chocolate chips for garnish. At first we need to add baking soda and salt into all-purpose flour and give a good mix. In a mixing bowl, add butter. Then we beat the butter. Add sugar and beat until becoming fluffy. Crack the egg and add into the butter. Then we beat until well combined. Add vanilla extract. Strain the dry ingredients. Then beat on low heat until well combined. Add chocolate chips. And strawberries. Then give a good mix. I use ice cream scoop to scoop the batter, but if you don't have ice cream scoop, you can use normal spoon. Then scoop it out on the baking tray. Continue doing the same thing. Now add the diced strawberries and chocolate chips on the top. This step is to make our cookies look nicer. You can skip it if you don't want to. After finishing, we bring to bake in preheat oven at 180 Celsius in 10 to 15 minutes time. This is my result after 10 minutes baking. Looks so cute, right? Hope you guys like this recipe and will make it at home. If you guys like my video, please thumb up, subscribe my channel and click on the bell beside to update my new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.